What I have here is a double camping chair. So this is basically kind of like a Loveseat in a way, and it has cup holders on the side, and this one is heated, and it's from the company Land Mountain, the good old Land Mountain. Now I've got another chair from these guys, and I have been very impressed with it. Let's go ahead and let's take this thing out of the box. By the way, it's not that big. It looks like it's just kind of like a normal size bag. Considering how big the chair is, the bag is actually not that big of a bag. Take it out of there. And then to get it open, look how quickly you can get this thing open. Just boom. By the way, it comes in a lot of different colors. I got mine in kind of like this drab green color. Everybody, that's impressive looking. Power bank right here. We'll plug this one in right like that. And as soon as you plug it on, it starts flashing. You're gonna open this up. Here's where the power bank will go. I see. We'll stick that one down in there. We've got two different zones. So you've got one zone, a left and a right over here. Same deal, we'll put this one in here. You got two cup holders right there. You've got a little pad right here that you can put your phone or something. That's easily, your phone will go down in there like that. I love the padding on it. It's very comfortable. Like looking at the padding, it's got a very comfortable feel to it. Let me go ahead, grab my thermal imaging camera, and let's see where the actual heating elements are going on this. Well, it looks like we've got 4 right here. Oh, that is definitely warmer. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And then 3 right there on the back. So we've got 3 along the back, 4 on that side. On this side, we've got 4 right there on there at the seat, and then 3 in the back. And looking at it, it looks like we are 47 degrees right here, but right here where the heating pads are, we're at 94 already. That is 94 degrees, and that's less than like maybe a minute. 94 right there. There's a lot of padding in here. It's like nice and stuffing on the padding, because sitting in it, very comfortable on the seating. When you see it like sitting right there, y'all see that? Oh, that feels great, everybody. That's right on the bottom of where you need it. Now I feel it also in the small of the back when you lean back, and there's enough room. This is what I like about this chair. This is actual heated chair that I can lay down in, and there's a green is low, red is high, blue is medium. So you've got a great camping chair just by itself, but the fact that you actually have a heated up feature on it that is there if you need it, but if you don't want to use it, I think it's great just the way it is. And the fact that you have cup holders on the side, you got little bag spots right there, and it just looks nice. This looks really nice, and it comes in a bag where you can pack it up, take it camping with you, take it to a ball game or something, and set out. And then when you start getting cold, just turn that on and you are good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Land Mountain, heated camping Loveseat. See you on the next video.